Hey there, have you ever encountered a problem while trying to work on your computer or browse the web, and suddenly your screen flickers or goes black for no apparent reason? This irritating problem can be caused by outdated graphics card drivers or faulty hardware connections. It's essential to address this issue promptly to avoid further disruptions in your workflow. Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky screen flickering problem. The solution lies in updating your graphics card drivers and checking your hardware connections. Outdated drivers can often lead to screen flickering, so make sure to download and install the latest drivers from the official website of your graphics card manufacturer. Additionally, ensure that all cables connecting your monitor to your computer are securely plugged in to rule out any hardware-related issues that may be causing the screen flickering. By following these simple steps to update your graphics card drivers and checking your hardware connections, you can effectively resolve the screen flickering problem and enjoy a seamless computing experience. Remember, a little maintenance can go a long way in preventing these annoying glitches from disrupting your work or entertainment. In conclusion, if you're experiencing screen flickering issues on your computer, don't worry. By updating your graphics card drivers and checking your hardware connections, you can easily solve this problem and get back to your tasks without any further interruptions. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any tech issues you'd like me to cover next. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.